I want to talk to you about how you're ending your videos. I really want to help you improve your call to action, or CTA. And there is one thing I really want you to stop saying at the end of your videos, and we'll get to that after you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and meet me right back here in 3, 2, 1. Welcome back. So the first and last things out of your mouth on your videos are your most impactful. They're the most important, your hook and your CTA. And today we're going to talk about your CTA. I think of your call to action as the start of another conversation, not cutting off the video. And what I see too many people doing is saying thank you as the last thing on their video. And this is a big no-no. Now, as a mom, I have spent the last 10 years teaching my daughter to say thank you. It's polite. We have songs about it. We learned how to sign it. I even have a in public head tilt coupled with an eyebrow raise to remind her that she must say thank you. It is polite, but it has absolutely no place in your video, especially at the end. Now, don't worry, I'm going to give you an alternative to saying thank you, but really the biggest reason you don't want to use thank you in your videos has to do with your value and your perception as the expert. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you just did a Facebook Live where you gave your audience 3 simple ways to save money right away. Why would you thank them? You wouldn't. They should be thanking you for being the expert and helping them save money. Another example I like to share is when you go to the doctor, does the doctor thank you for coming to him? No, you thank the doctor because he's the expert for his or her time. And I really want you to get your head around this because you are the expert. How you establish or don't establish your authority sets the tone for how people perceive you and how your videos will be received. And in 2010, there was a great debate among the Toastmaster community on whether you should or should not end your speech with a thank you. Listen, this got ugly. There were small cucumber sandwiches thrown, feelings were hurt. I'm totally making that up, but the final word was that you should not end your speech, aka your video, with a thank you because it diminishes the impact of your ending. And I agree. Now you might be thinking, okay, Trace, I came here to find out about CTAs, so help me improve it, and I will. So what do you do instead? Well, your audience remembers the last thing you said best. So be imaginative. What do you want them to do? How can you continue the conversation that was started in your video? I like to ask them to click a button, go watch another video, go check out a guide I've created. Perhaps I'm asking them something very specific to comment on in the comments. That's engagement. It's giving them something to do other than closing off your video and going, thanks, okay, bye, see you later. So if you want to be memorable, I don't want you falling back on thank you. You're welcome. And if you're wondering, okay, I still want to be polite, I want to acknowledge my audience for showing up. Of course you do. And here's a great way of doing that. Somewhere in my video, I generally will say, I'm so glad you showed up today to do this, because it means that your business, lifestyle, children, family, whatever it is you're teaching is important enough that you take the time to watch this today. So good for you. That's acknowledging them, making them feel smart, and making them feel like part of the conversation. Yay, do that instead. Now, my call to action to you is to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can tune in right here every week. And hey, if you are feeling wily, I know this can stir the pot a little bit. Go ahead, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about how you should be ending your own videos. Go ahead and hit that music, Amanda. Dancing it out. Dancing it out.